Hello, dear aspirants. Welcome to the session. And in this session, we shall know about a Chartered Accountancy course. It is one of the most prestigious professional course in India for aspiring accountants. It has been designed by Institute of Chartered Accountants of India. Basically, this course has three stages, beginning with CA Foundation, CA Intermediate, and CA Final. CA Foundation eligibility criteria is that you should have cleared 12th grade or a PUC second year, preferably in the commerce sector. CA Foundation has four subjects, goes with principles and practice of accounting, business law and business correspondence and reporting, business mathematics, logical reasoning, statistics, business economics and business commercial knowledge. And the duration for CA Foundation is 4 months before appearing for examination. And these exams are held 3 times in a year, that is in the month of January, May, and December each year. Once you clear your CA Foundation, you can enroll for CA Intermediate. CA Intermediate eligibility is one CA Foundation entry or direct entry after graduation or post graduation. Intermediate has two groups, Group 1 and Group 2. Each group has 3 papers, beginning with accounting, corporate law and other laws, taxation. Whereas Group 2 has cost and management accounting, auditing and assurance, financial management and strategic management. And the duration for intermediate is that 8 months of study preparation before appearing for the examination. As well as these exams are also held 3 times in a year, in the month of January, May and September. Once you clear your intermediates, you can apply for practical training, which is well said as articleship training for a period of 2 years under a recognized practicing chartered accountants in India. Or you can also go for industrial training. So after clearing 2 years of practical training, you can enroll for CA Final. And the eligibility criteria is that you should have completed both the groups of CA intermediates and articleship period of 2 years. This final also has 2 groups, Group 1 and Group 2, each with the 3 subjects. Beginning with financial reporting, advanced financial management, advanced auditing and professional ethics in Group 1, and Group 2 has direct tax and international taxation followed by indirect tax, and the paper 6 is open book, simple case study with disciplinary. And the duration, as said, it is 2 years of articleship plus preparation for final. Once you clear all this, you will be a chartered accountant and you can register as a member of Institute of Chartered Accountant. You can also go through, as displayed in the system, the process, how to register, how to enroll and how to clear it. And there is also no age limit for pursuing CA. You can start the course at any stage of life as long as you meet the educational qualities. Duration, as we discussed, it goes foundation 4 months, intermediate 8 months, articleship period of 2 years after clearing both the group, and a final of 6 months, minimum 6 months you need. On an average, 4 to 4.5 years required for clearing chartered accountant in your first attempt. So let us also know the cost of course. The cost of course is most affordable compared to other professional courses in India. CA Foundation you can clear with around 12,500, intermediate with 35,000, and final with around 32 to 33,000. And these costs are excluding the private coaching classes, as the private coaching classes varies the prices on each level and class to class. Other than this, you have to spend on your books and study material. ICA provides own study material, but additional reference books might cost between 5 to 10,000 based on the level. Other than this, you can also earn a minimum stipend during your practical training around 2,000 to 10,000 based on Tier 1, Tier 2 cities. And now we shall go ahead with passing grade and number of enrollment every year for this. Level 1 CA Foundation enrollment is around 1,20,000 to 1,50,000 students register for CA Foundation annually, and this level sees a higher number of enrollment as there is a popularity of commerce career option and relatively low barriers to entry. So once the filtration is done in the CA foundation, it goes with the CA intermediate around 70,000 to 1 lakh student register annually for CA intermediate. The number of students here is smaller because many of them do not clear in the foundation or they take an exit route. Coming to the CA final enrollment, around 30,000 to 50,000 students register for CA final on an approximate. So the number drop is due to the challenges in clearing the CA intermediate both the groups as well as the demand in completing 2 years of practical training. And we let us discuss about the pass rates and their impact in the past years. What we have seen is pass rate typically ranges between 20 to 30% in the foundation, 10 to 15% in the intermediates, and it drops down to 5 to 10% in the final, both the groups. These rates significantly influence the progression of the students at every level. So, thinking that what are the career opportunities for a CA, we have a traditional roles as to auditing and assurance, like conducting stat audit, internal audit, tax audit, as well as forensic. One can also work with the firms like Big Four, like Deloitte, PwC, E&Y, KPMG, or any mid-sized CA firm. There are many opportunities for taxation, accounting, and financial reporting, corporate compliance. Owing to the corporate sector, financial management, internal audit and risk management, treasury and investment management, strategic management. There are also consulting. One can work as a consultant for business process improvement, management advisory services, financial restructuring, and a booming ERP implementation and automation. There is always a wide scope in the sector of banking and financial service, as well as government and PSU sectors, entrepreneurship, and also practice. People who want to go for international opportunities with IFRS and international tax laws, CAs can work globally, like countries like UAE, UK, Canada, Australia, and a recognized Indian CAs. There are also out-of-box works, like if one person is interested in specialized field in forensic accounting, insolvency and bankruptcy, information system audit, there is scope in this. Apart from this, academics and training is evergreen. So one can become a professor after qualify and become a corporate trainer for CA, CMA or ACCA aspirants. And now, aspirants, let us see the salary expectations for a completed qualified chartered accountant. It ranges between 6 to 10 lakh per annum with the first time pass outs. With an experience, there is always a scope to increase from 12 lakh to 30 lakh depending on the specialization and the roles. As well as international roles, like salaries can be significantly higher in countries like UAE, US, or UK. Majority of the key sector hiring CAs are manufacturing and FMCG, banking and financial sector, IT and technology, followed by government sector, PSU, real estate, healthcare, etc. So, what are the future trends for a CA? Increasing demand for a CA with a knowledge of data analytics and automation, sustainability and ESG reporting, blockchain and fintech. So, stay connected for further videos and thank you for watching.